Hey Queens, it's your girl Stylish back with another video. This time we actually gonna switch it up a bit. Now I know y'all like, what is she doing while she's sitting on the floor? Today we doing DIY. My daughter wanted a pink dresser to match everything else in her room. Her favorite color is pink. So I ordered a pink dresser off Amazon, y'all, and now I'm about to build it. So I'm just gonna let y'all know I didn't get video of every single thing because, baby, my kids, they was doing the most. You know, kids, they love to run around, pick up stuff, all of that. So some of the video I just didn't get, but I definitely got pictures of everything. So just walk through this with me. So the first step was creating the drawers, 6 drawers, and I had to build all of those. Anytime you do DIY, especially like with furniture, whatever, you want to read those instructions. I personally read through all of the instructions first before I even get started. That way I kind of sort of am familiar with what's going on. So like I said, usually like this is like the third thing that I've built. As you can see, this black desk behind me, I put that up. And I also got a stool. You can't see it all the way, and it's that desk chair. So I guess this is the fourth thing. But I assembled all that by myself, and I really enjoyed it. It's kind of relaxing for me, y'all. So as y'all can see, that's my little baby right there. She just had woke up from a nap, and she was ready to go after that bottle. But like I said, anytime you're doing DIY, furniture, all that kind of stuff, read through the instructions. 9 times out of 10, they are going to label each part with letters. So like these, each part it had its letters. Even with the screws, it was like, I think 12 different screws and stuff that I use. So they labeled those on the bags. So like I said, first thing I did, started with the drawers. Just like the little first step of it. And I'm going to just, let y'all watch me from here. So as y'all can see, I basically put the first dresser drawer together, and I'm just going to put the little knobs on. That's like, almost the last step of this. After this, y'all gonna see me put the little, I don't know what they call, but the little part of the drawer where it makes it slide and all that. You gotta put that on there next. And as y'all probably can see, I'm like, okay, why is this not sticking together? So just about each section, you gotta put like these little lock screws on there. They're real simple. You just stick it in there and twist it a little, and boom, bam, boom. None of your pieces are going anywhere. It's locked in, literally. So like I said, all the screws are labeled as well. And as long as you follow that manual, you're going to be good. Y'all got to have faith. And this did take time. Let me tell y'all, I ended up having to redo this. I literally put the whole thing together and had to break it back down. It was a terrible situation. But I'm going to get to that later on in this video. All right, so I finished all the drawers. This part is actually what took the longest. It ended up being a 2-day process, y'all. This next set of pieces is basically like the middle part where I was going to end up connecting everything together so the drawers can fit in there. I was moving around a lot. I started out in my office, then the living room, then my daughter's room. So it was just a lot trying to record all this, dealing with the kids, and having to, set up the camera. So that's why I ended up just taking pictures because I was ready to get this done. So here we are. And let me tell y'all, when I finished, my daughter loved it. I loved it. This thing also got the little LED lights. It's so cool. I will be doing another DIY. I'm gonna just let y'all know right now. I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is, but stay tuned and stay updated. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any suggestions on what you want to see, drop that in the comments as well. Until next time, ladies, and follow me on all socials.